Hi everyone, I want to take you through a tour of my sketchbooks and show you one of my favorite ones. Fabriano Quadrato Artist Journal has a really nice feel to the paper, and it comes in a variety, a bright white, a beige, and a slightly darker beige. This book is where I thought up and created plans, sort of a script for all my classes. Unusual flowers. This was a fun one. Bad tangencies. That was another good one. Something's not right. Something odd in this picture. In all of them, that was our goal. So this one was really devoted to creating lessons. Here's another one. I've almost filled these. This book was devoted to just some sketching, loose sketching, ideas for my ceramics, more lessons. What's in the back here? Well, then just some quick studies from some reference. Drawing from the Vogue Runway app. Painting and just leaving the information, the lines out. Playing with some color and simplification. Ideas, written ideas. Blank pages needing to be filled. More brush and ink from the Vogue Runway app. And more pages needing all kind of work. Some bird drawings. And some acrylic bird paintings. Good, I got to put a tissue on till this is acrylic, till it completely dries, otherwise they'll stick to each other. Kind of like that, but some more lesson ideas, more little demos, and then just some playing around. I scored a whole bunch of colored pencils at the thrift store. So I just sharpened them and started playing with them. And then just more drawing. I will sit and draw and just kind of do whatever comes to mind. These were some prep demos for a class. Lesson on perspective. Horizon. Locating the horizon. Then just kind of inspired by Cézanne's nudes, by the just out there hanging out. What else? Oh, this one coming up. Lots of pages I need to fill here. More bird, loose bird, cartoon birds, oil pastel, more Cézanne-esque. This book was sort of becoming devoted to value work, value and color work, using the value scale. No tans. And then just drawing. Lots of drawing. These were ideas for ceramic sculptures of the figure, simplified. Let's see, these were painted in Apalachicola, Florida. Just regular people. More birds in acrylic. I really score some great bird books at the thrift store. I found some really terrific art books at the thrift store for just a couple bucks. It's amazing. More Apalachicola, 2020. Just some faces and more figure. What was this? Entertain myself. Great advice. Here I'm entertaining myself. Big time. Kind of a caricature of Joan Crawford, huh? Myself. So I'm just dedicated to really filling these pages, front and back. Just played with leftover acrylic here. Put some gouache to some of my fashion figures. Thinking of compositions for the for some the playground series. You can see these little dots, practicing with my vicinity marks. And a new one that I'm just getting started on. I still have to fill those others, but just people, maybe figures in a row. And then just kind of going in on some features, playing with gouache, making these kind of strange compositions of faces merging into one another. More practice with shadow and leaving the paper as the light. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, more nudes and more birds and a lot of pages I still need to fill that I'm excited to get going. That's a sketchbook tour today.